Hello, welcome. I'm Hallie with Handmade by Hallie. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a video for you on how to reuse your ribbon for your bows. This is ribbon I've taken a bow apart from, and I'm going to show you how to use this and make a bow for the project that you want to use. Let me lower the camera and we'll get to it. Okay, we are ready to go. So we're going to start with our ribbon that we have pulled apart from a bow, and we're going to repurpose these ribbons. We are going to need a pipe cleaner, a pair of scissors, and a zip tie. And we are going to need a bow maker. But the biggest thing that we will need to do before we can get to these is we are going to need to iron our ribbon. So I have here a tempered glass cutting mat or cutting board, and I'm going to put a towel on this, and I have an iron. So we're just going to take the iron and we're just going to iron that out. So you saw that didn't take too much, and now that's ironed. So we're just going to hit that on every spot. This doesn't take very long. And this helps you repurpose those good ribbons. It makes it look brand new. Okay, so there we have that again. There we have our ribbon. That one again. And that one's looking brand new. All right, we'll do our So with these three ribbons that I have, this blue, green, and white one I have the most of. This carrot with a black background is the next I have the most of, and then I have this green striped one the next. So I'm going to take my Easy Bow Maker and I'm going to place it in front of me and pull this ribbon out. If I had it on a spool, I would put the spool right on the spool holder, but I don't. And we're going to leave about a 10-inch tail. So I've measured that, and I'm going to pinch it together and place it in my Easy Bow Maker and pull my tail towards me. Now, I want this bow to be, I think, about 5-inch loops. So let's make a loop and see if we like that length. Yeah, I think that's going to do nicely. So 5-inch loops, and I'm going to give it a twist. Actually, I'm going to back up. I'm going to give it a twist on this side. It's almost the same on both sides. Give it a twist. Lay it out. Hold the finger there. Put the ribbon back in. Give it another twist. I have in my stash of ribbon some nice fluffy, soft, plain orange that will go nicely with this. And this is a 2.5-inch ribbon. This way. And we're going to go 12 inches. So the same thing, we just went a little bit longer. I'm going to pinch this together, put this in. We are going to dovetail the end. I'll go ahead and do that now. So we're going to put those wired edges together and cut this an angle going up. Okay. And we know we did these ones 5 inches. We're going to do this just a little over 5 inches. This is going to go underneath. So 5.5 inches approximately. I don't know if you can tell the difference in the wire that's in this blue compared to the wire edges in this orange. This orange, the wire edges are nice and stiff. And the way you can tell that is if you shape your ribbon and it just stays and holds its shape, that's what you want. And we know we want a 10-inch tail. And I'm going to need a couple inches to be able to put in the crossbars here of my bow maker. We're just going to put that in and keep going. Now I'm not going to worry about fluffing my bow too much until we get it on my project. Right now we're just going to get this bow made. Alright, next we're going to do the carrot ribbon, and we're going to make the tail just a little bit shorter than the previous tail. Push that in, make sure to give it a twist. And we should have plenty to do 3 loops. Let's give it a try. If not, we'll just pull it out and do it again. Just a little bit shorter than the previous one. Or we might even just do 2 loops. 2 loops of this might do just fine. Right. Again, push this down, give it a twist. This one's silky, so it's kind of hard to hold on to. We're just going to do 1 loop on each side. Okay, just like that, and I'm not going to worry about cutting that tail yet. So next we want our zip tie and then our pipe cleaner. So I'm gonna put my fingers underneath here and grab a hold of all of the ribbon, my thumb on the top, and lift it up. So this is what we've got. Our sandwich. We're going to slide our zip tie underneath, put the end into the flat side and pull it. So now I can let go and it's not going to fall apart. I'm going to twist this around to the back and I'm going to put this pipe cleaner underneath. Now I can pull this tighter and then cut it with the scissors. Alright, so here we have our basic bow. I will get this fluffed and show you the end result. Alright, here we have our bow all fluffed and ready to go. So when I fluff my bows, I like to start on the underneath bottom layer and go up layer by layer, opening up each loop and positioning them where I want them to be. And this is all ready to go on the project I have in mind for this. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and comment on this video and subscribe. You'll want to stay tuned to see where this ends up. I have a cute project in mind. Thank you, and we'll see you again soon.